operations with squares, cubes, square roots, and cuberoots of common fractions. Simplify square of 2/3 plus square root of 16/9 plus cube of -1/2 minus cube root of 64/27. Solution. We are dealing with multiple operations here. We need to A. Square the first fraction, B. Determine the square root of the second fraction, C. Cube the third fraction, and finally, D. Determine the cube root of the fourth fraction. Let's work on each operation and obtain the result, and then perform the operations of addition and subtraction on the result. Recall that to square a common fraction, we multiply the fraction by itself. We get 4/9. 16 can be written as 4 squared. 9 can be written as 3 squared. We find the square root of the numerator and the denominator separately. We multiply the powers using the power rule of exponents. We get 4/3. We multiply the common fraction by itself 3 times. Recall that the cube of a negative number is negative. We get -1/8. 64 can be written as 4 cubed. 27 can be written as 3 cubed. We use the fractional exponent 1/3. We use the power rule of exponents and simplify. We get 4/3. We can now perform the operations of addition and subtraction using the simplified forms of the fraction. We get 4/9 plus 4/3 plus -1/8 minus 4/3. We can see that adding 4/3 to -4/3 will give us 0. We get 4/9 plus -1/8. Recall that adding a positive integer to a negative integer gives us a negative integer. Hence, we rewrite the previous step as 4/9 minus 1/8. We cannot subtract the numerators as the denominators are different. Using our knowledge of multiples, we calculate the lowest common multiple, LCM, of the denominators. The multiples of 9 are 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, and so on. The multiples of 8 are 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, and so on. We can see that the LCM of 9 and 8 is 72, so we convert the fractions to equivalent fractions. We multiply the numerator and the denominator of 4/9 by 8. We multiply the numerator and the denominator of 1/8 by 9. We get 23/72.
Need more help? Subscribe to our channel. Can't wait that long? Ask Masky to help you and let the math finally start mathing.